Everybody in the car, so come on and ride to the liquor store. I want to come down. The boy said he wants to get a juice, but I really don't wanna. It was like that sweet. I must say, he was talking to me. I like Angela, Pamela, Sandra, and Rita. And as I can see you, you know they getting sweeter. So what I'm gonna do, I really glad you my lord. You right here, just like a boy. And he ain't fine. It's all good, let me jump everything in the trumpet. A little bit of money got in my side. A little bit of Erica on my side. A little bit of Rita on my knee. A little bit of Rita on my knee. A little bit of Sandra in the sun. A little bit of Melody all night long. A little bit of Jessica in my hair. A little bit of
mahirap ba? Sinusundan natin sila eh. Cellphone yan, hindi. Camera. Mahal ng ganyan, no? 15,000 lang?
Matagal na to, like 3 years ago.
3,000 yung sa akin. Ano lang yung sa akin? Alis na 80,000. Hindi na sa ganyan. Yung kanon, yung good brand.
Kasi walang warranty, hindi well known yung brand nito eh.
Kaya
Kaya
brand na
ganun.
mahal.
Brand ng ano.